everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to enable and disable automation rules in Bitrix24. So, glad you see it. Hit that like button and let's get started. Enable and disable automation rules in Bitrix24. For that, first we have to go to CRM section and click on the automation rule button. And let's select in which stage you want to disable that automation rule. So these are enable automation rules. So I want to disable in new state. In new state, this automation rules I want to disable this automation rule. So click on the action button and click on disable it and then save that automation. So when lead deal come to that state, that automation rule will not work big, until we press on enable. So if you want to again run this action, so click on action and enable it and save it. And this is one process. The another process is click on the automation rule. So in that way we can enable and disable the automation rule. The another process was click on edit in workflow design. Here we have our rule. Click on setting button and three dots and disable and then save this one. Here we can see the disable automation rule. If you want to enable, same process will repeat and save this one. Like that way we can enable and disable the automation rule in Bitrix24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.